Hey fellas, I'm Janel, Kiss Colors and Care resident hair expert, and I'm showing you how to achieve this twisted high fade look with a crisp edge up using the Kiss Cordless Trimmer. First things first, you want to start with clean, slightly damp hair to avoid friction or breakage. Next, you'll need to apply a generous amount of the Kiss Colors and Care Twist Curl Gel all over the head. I just love how versatile this product is for TWAs, finger coils, twist outs, and so much more. Once the product is worked all the way through, you want to take the Twist King Original Style and Define Sponge and gently rub your hair in circular motions around your head. The original model is made especially for those with longer curls who have graduated from their TWA. It's the growth for me, baby. It's time to clean up the edges. Yes, fellas, y'all have edges too. Get a clean edge cut with the new Kiss Precision Blade Cordless Trimmer. It features a stainless steel T-blades, a no-slip grip for precision, and a high-speed motor. You can also trim your beard or create a detailed hair design. Because it's cordless, it gives you free range with no fuss. After you clean up your line work, you are all good to go. I'm talking about the easy way to go for you fellas. Visit kisscolors.com for more tips and tricks from yours truly.